In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert timestamp current date and time in Outlook. If you ever need to show exactly when an email was drafted or want a timestamp that updates on its own, this will make your messages clearer and more professional. We'll cover the classic Outlook desktop app and 2 simple ways to add the date and time, including a dynamic option that can update automatically. Start by opening a new email. You can click New Email or press Ctrl-N. Place your cursor in the message body exactly where you want the timestamp to appear. Outlook will insert it at that spot. Now, head to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the text section, click Date and Time. You'll see a dialog box with a variety of display formats, from short numeric styles to long, fully spelled out formats that include the day of the week. Pick the one that matches your tone and your audience. For example, a long form looks more formal, while a short numeric style is compact and great for quick notes. Here's the key choice. If you want the timestamp to update automatically every time the message is opened or printed, select Update Automatically. This treats the timestamp like a live field, which is perfect for templates, recurring status emails, or drafts you revisit. If you want a fixed, unchanging record of the moment you inserted it, leave that box unchecked. That creates a static value, which is ideal when you need a permanent reference to the time you composed the message. Once you've made your selection, click OK, and Outlook drops the timestamp into your email. If you prefer speed and only need a static entry, there's an even quicker method using keyboard shortcuts. With your cursor in the body, press Alt-Shift-D to insert the current date. If you need the time instead, press Alt-Shift-T. These shortcuts instantly insert the values in a standard format and won't change later, which makes them perfect for quick time stamping as you type. Remember, both shortcuts insert wherever your cursor is, so place it carefully to keep your layout neat. Thanks for watching.